How you guys doing? It feels so good to be back. I still haven't shaved any of this. Probably shave it within the next couple days. I cut my own hair, so I'll probably cut it sooner than later. But nevertheless, today I want to talk to you guys about 4 steps to achieve a perfect score. I don't care where you're at in your journey with regards to cleaning up your credit. Here are 4 steps to achieve a perfect score. So stay tuned. My name is Jay, and welcome to Ask a Debt Collector. Now, I've been in the debt collection industry for over 15 years. I've done it all, from skip tracing to collecting to management, and I've owned 2 debt collection agencies. For the past 8 years, I've been the go-to guy for friends and family for questions regarding debt and credit, and now I want to be that person for you. If you have any questions, put them down in the comment section. I promise I'll answer those questions. Let's go. Be sure to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel as it is growing. I'm almost halfway to 500 subs, trying to get to 1,000 subs and beyond. The only way that can happen is through you guys, so thank you guys for that. In the month of December, until my birthday, December 23rd, anyone who signs up for a free 30-minute consultation will get my ebook explaining everything with regards to credit and so forth at no obligation. Whether you sign up for credit repair services or not, you will get that free ebook. Link, be sure to just sign up for the 30-minute consultation. After the consultation, I'll send you the free ebook. Secondly, anyone who signs up, the first 100 people who sign up between now and the 23rd will get a discount on credit repair services, saving you over $120 total for the same great service. This is something I want to put out there for you guys in the month of December. I know you want to start that new year with great credit, increasing your credit and so forth. So allow Clear and Strategic Credit Repair Services to help you out with that. Now, let's get into the 4 steps to achieve a perfect credit score. Number 1, consolidate your debt. Now, the reality is this. If you have a bunch of debt that's already been sent to collections, it makes no sense to consolidate the debt because because of the reality is your credit will probably be messed up. And to get a consolidation loan, you have to have somewhat of good credit. The key for a consolidation loan is this. You want to be able to get an interest rate on all of those loans combined, credit cards and maybe even some personal loans and maybe even some car loans that you may have, to where when you get this consolidation loan that the average percentage is lower than what it is that you're paying every other thing. Because it doesn't make any sense if you consolidate it but then you're paying higher. It'll make it harder for you with regards to your payments. But by consolidating all of your debt into one monthly payment, helps you out tremendously. For people who haven't allowed their accounts to go to collections, but that, have accounts in good standings and trying to figure out a way to get from under that barrel, consolidating all of that debt, getting a low interest rate and making a low monthly payment to just that creditor. The second way to do it, and it's something that I always talk about here on this channel, is asking for credit card increases. I do credit counseling as well as, the 30-minute consultation, the free consultations. And I get a lot of consumers and I'll see their credit card. As a matter of fact, not too long ago, I had a consumer who had a credit card with about a $10,000 limit on this credit card. They never asked for a credit increase and they were looking at paying it off. And the question they asked me to do is once I pay it off, should I close the account out? They had over 7 years of history with this credit card. I told them absolutely not. But asking for credit increases is awesome, right? If you started out with a $10,000 credit card, you ask for a credit increase, you get an $8,000 increase on that $10,000 card. Now you have $18,000 worth of available credit. I say ask for increases every 6 months. Every 6 months, request for a credit increase on your credit cards. And if you're using them correctly and not max them out or not using them at all, you have to obviously use the credit card and pay it off. You'll get credit card increases. But that is a way to achieve the perfect credit score. Number 3, and this is something in all honesty that I just recently am doing on all my credit cards that I have across the board, is set everything on Autopay. I have so many clients where one of the things I'm always telling them is, hey, once you sign up with us, don't apply for any new credit, and make sure you're paying everything on time, right? And sometimes in the nuance of all of the accounts that you may have, you may forget to make a payment on a specific credit card or whatever the circumstance is. When you have it on auto pay, you automatically make sure that those payments are paid. And so then you don't have to worry about forgetting. So when the payment due date is due, it automatically comes out of your bank account, it's set up automatically, and it makes it a lot easier for you to avoid having late payments. The fourth and final step to do to achieve a perfect credit score is review your credit report. Now, every year through freecreditreport.com, you can get your free credit report, annual credit report, and it's at free of charge for you. I recommend every single person you pay for some type of credit monitoring service. The reason why I say that is so that you could be ahead of anything that may transpire or happen on your accounts, right? When you have a credit monitoring service through whoever it is that you choose to go through, a lot of times what ends up happening is if someone applies for a new credit card under your account, you automatically know. And so then that way you can stop that from happening before obviously waiting a whole year and then finding out from some creditor that you have a credit card that you actually owe on, right? Reviewing your credit report. I review my credit report at least 3 times a week. And then, obviously anytime I get some type of alert or something along those lines, I'm always reviewing it. Each and every single one of you guys should have some type of credit monitoring, whether it's, through Credit Karma. I don't care if it's through Credit Karma or whoever it is. Get something and get a habit of looking at your credit report. Typically what I find is people with bad credit, they don't really care and they won't look at it. Versus people with good credit, they're the ones who are constantly looking at you and monitoring their credit. The reality is the person with bad credit feels like, I already know my stuff's bad. By ignoring it, it won't be there. I don't care if your credit's good or bad. Make sure you get credit monitoring. That help you to achieve the perfect credit score. Now, those are the 4 steps with regards to achieving the perfect credit score. Understand that stuff. Write all those things down and make sure that you are doing those things. Now, like I stated before, 30-minute free consultation. Every single person who signs up for that, I'm extending the hours so that I can accommodate every single one of you guys. You'll get my free ebook. The ebook's over 70 pages. It has all the information with regards to that. Let's start this new year in the right direction with regards to getting your credit approved. It's a small investment, but that investment can help change your family's lives. So again, you sign up this month, $79.99 is the amount that you'll be locked in on a monthly standpoint with regards to getting credit repair services through Clear and Strategic Credit Repair Services. So if you're interested in that, the information's down below. Just click the 30-minute free consultation, book your time, and let's talk. And let's take you from where you're at to where you want to be. Now, if you have any questions about credit or debt, put them down in the comment section. I promise I'll answer those questions. And as always, you be great.